we have to find definite integral by parts. So first let me remind you this formula. When we have integral from a to b of f of, in this case we have with respect to t, so I will put f of t times g prime of t with respect to t, this is equal f of t times g of t minus, and I forgot we have to put limits first from b on the top and on the bottom a minus, now we have integral from a to b of f prime of t times g of t with respect to t. So what else? Function f g prime must be continuous. So let me rewrite this. We have definite integral from 0 to 1. We can change to multiplication this, so it will be t times e to power negative 2t with respect to t. T is continuous function and e to power negative 2t is continuous too, so everything is okay. Next, we just put that our f of t is equal t. Why I put f of t equals t? Because now when we take derivative of f, we will get just 1. We reduce our t from our expression. And whatever left, so we have g prime of t is equal e to power negative 2t. Now we need to find antiderivative, so g of t is equal negative 1/2 times e to power negative 2t. You can always check when you take derivative of this expression, you should get g prime. So next step, we have to just substitute to our formula. So we have, this is equal f times g, so it will be t times, and in parentheses we will put negative 1/2 e to power negative 2t. We have limits from 0 to 1 minus, and now we have integral from 0 to 1, f prime is equal 1 and g is equal negative 1/2 e to power negative 2t. We have integral with respect to t. So this is equal. We can do some simplification. Positive times negative will be negative. So I will put first negative 1/2 t e to power negative 2t. We have limits from 0 to 1. Negative and negative will be positive. And we have integral from 0 to 1 of, when we multiply by 1, still we will have 1/2 e to power negative 2t. So first I will take this 1/2 before integral, and we have integral only of e to power negative 2t with respect to t. Now let me do this integral first. We have integral from 0 to 1 of e to power negative 2t with respect to t. To do this integral, we will use substitution method. Let me put that u is equal negative 2t. Now we need to find derivative of both sides of our equation. So du is equal to, of course, dt is equal negative 2. So because we need to find du, I will multiply both sides by dt. dt and dt we can reduce, and we have that du is equal negative 2 dt. But we have here only dt, we don't have negative 2. So now I will divide both sides by negative 2. Negative 2 and negative 2 we can reduce, and we have that dt is equal, we can write first negative 1/2 du. So our integral will be equal, we have to copy integral symbol from 0 to 1, e, and instead of negative 2t we have to put u, and for dt we have negative 1/2, we will put in parentheses du. So this is equal, we have to put first constant before integral symbol, so we have negative 1/2 times integral from 0 to 1 of e to power u with respect to u. This is equal, negative 1/2 we copy, and integral of e to power u is e to power u. Now, because of course we have limits from 0 to 1. And now because I didn't change limits when I do use substitution, I have to come back to t's. So this is equal, we have negative 1/2 e to power negative 2t, and we have limits from 1 to 0. From 0 to 1, of course. So this is equal. Now we have to first plug upper limit. We will have negative 1/2 times e to power will be negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. And we have to subtract lower limit. So we have negative, we will put in parentheses 1/2 times e to power 2, negative 2 times 0 will be 0. So this is equal, we will have negative 1/2 e to power negative 2. Negative and negative give us positive. E to 0 is 1, so we have 1/2 only. So this is our integral from 0 to 1 of e to power negative 2t with respect to t. So now we have to come back to our problem, and we will have this is equal. So now we have to first plug to this expression upper limit instead of t's. So we have negative 1/2 times 1 e to power negative 2 times 1, and we have to subtract lower limit. So this is, I will put in parentheses because we have negative sign before 1/2, will be times 0 e to power negative 2 times 0, close brackets, close parentheses, plus, and we have to copy 1/2. And now, instead this whole integral, we have to just plot this value. So I will put this in brackets. We have negative 1/2 e to power negative 2 plus 1/2. This is equal. What we have here, negative 1/2 e to power negative 2 will be minus, and this whole expression we have 0, so we can reduce. We have now 1/2 times negative 1/2 will be negative 1/4 e to power negative 2. 1/2 times 1/2, so will be plus 1/4. So this is equal negative 1/2 and negative 1/4 e to power negative 2. This is negative 3/4 e to power negative 2 plus 1/4. You can factorize 1/4, and you can put first positive expression, so will be 1 minus 3 e to power negative 2. Left like this, or you can use calculator and find this value. So we have 1/4 times, and in parentheses we have 1 minus 3 times e to power negative 2, close parentheses. This is equal 0.14. This is my solution.